Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see exercise 6C. Shall we start, Vrithi?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. First, use any method to divide. You can use any method. We have line method and we have
Long division method.
number method and we have long division method. We have three methods are there. But today we are using long method only. Okay? You can use any method. First, 88 divided by 2. Two
Fours are 8.
2 fours are 8. Minus it. 0. Then we have to, this is 0. Then this 8 we have to take. So here 8 again. So 2.
2 fours are 8.
Yeah, 2 fours are 8. So quotient is, answer is 44 and remainder is 0. So this is the one method. You can use any method to do this sums. Okay.
And the rest of them are the homework.
Yeah. So remaining sums are
Homework.
Next, divide and check your answer. So this is again divide and check. 72 divided by 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. Okay. First we have to check whether 7 are multiplied by 5. Yes, because 7 is greater than 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5.
1 5s are 5.
Yeah. 5 ones are 5. So 7 minus 5.
2.
Yeah, 2. So next bring that 2 to down. 2. So here 22. 5.
4s are 20.
Yeah, 5 fours are 20. So here
2 is the remainder.
yeah,
And
2
14
is-
is the quotient.
2 is a remainder and 14 is a
Quotient.
quotient answer. So we have to check this answer. Dividend is equal to
Quotient into divisor plus remainder.
dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here quotient is
2.
14.
14.
quotient is 14
And
into divisor
5.
5 plus remainder 2.
Plus 2.
So 14 into 5. So 14 into 5 is 70. 70
Plus 2.
plus 2.
72.
Yes, 72. So dividend is 72. So what we did now
Is
is
correct.
correct. Understood? This is about the divide and check your answer.
And rest of them are the homework.
Yeah, remaining are the homework. Okay. Next we'll move on to exercise 6D. Next, exercise 6D. Divide. You will get 2-digit quotients. So, answer is 2-digit number. Okay. Divide. 505 divided by 6. Here, 5, is it greater or smaller? It's a greater, it's a smaller than 6. So you can't. So you have to take 0. So total 50. 6.
8.
Yeah. 6 8s are 48. So this 5 you have to bring down here. Write down. So 25. 6.
4 6 are 24.
Huh. 5 minus 4 1. First adu left side in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 5 minus 4 1. So remainder is 1 and quotient is 84. Understood? Next, 597 divided by 7. Here also same, because 5 is lesser than 7. So you have to take 2. 59.
8 7s are 56.
56. So 2 is a remainder and 85 is a quotient. Understood? Next, 166 divided by 8. So you have to put 0 here because you can't multiply this 6 by 8. Okay? Take 0. Understood? Next, 1 divided by 8. 24.
3 8s are 24.
Minus. So you have to take this one down. 7. 56. So remainder is 5 and quotient is 37.
37.
Understood? So remaining this is the same as this method.
It's a homework.
Homework. Next, divide. You will get 3-digit quotients. Okay, the answer should be in 3-digit. 759 divided by 4. Do it. 35.
8 4s are 32.
Yes, 32. This 9 comes down. 39.
4s are 39.
36.
36.
36. So 3 is a remainder and 189 is a quotient. Next, 824 divided by 6.
Three, 6 are 18.
Yes.
Seven, 6 are 42.
So 2 is a remainder, 137 is a quotient. Next, 971 divided by 2. Two fives are 10. So remainder is 1. Quotient is 485. Next, 762 divided by 3. Minus.
One.
So remainder is 0. Quotient is 254.
And the remaining is homework.
Yeah, remaining sums are homework. Next, divide. Watch out for zeros in the quotient. Okay, you can get zeros in the quotient. 241 divided by 4. You have to put 0 in the quotient. Because it's a 3-digit number, you can't get single digit quotient. Next, 101 divided by 2. Wait. Next, 645 divided by 6. Put 0 here. Zero. 6 is to 45.
Seven, 6 are 42.
42. So remainder is 3. Quotient is 107. Next. $300 divided by 2. 2 5s are
2 5s are 10.
5 10. 10
0.
ಈ 0 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
0.
0. So 0ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So you have to put 0 here. So 150 is a quotient.
And 0 is the
remainder.
remainder. And these all are the homeworks.
Yeah, remaining are the homework.
Homework.
Next comes to mixed practice. Okay. 882 divided by 4. Okay, understood?
And the rest are the homework.
Remaining sums are
Homework.
homework. Understood? So for this we finished our 6D. Tomorrow we will see 6E. Oh, 6E. 6E. Thank you.